How to plant persimmon fruit for fruit plants around the house for beginners. Kezimek, known as the scientific name Diospyros keiki, is a type of fruit from the Diospyros family originating from China. Persimmon trees are about 15 meters in size with many branches. Branches are short and bent. Leaves from persimmon trees have a round shape, ovoid to jorong with a shiny yellow-green. The fruit is bunny with a sprawl or rectangular shape. The fruit color is yellowish-green to red with a diameter measuring around 2 to 8 centimeters. Persimmon fruit is often called a flirtatious fruit because in the outer shell of persimmon there are powders such as powder in young persimmons containing tannins called tannins, which cause a feeling of tightness on the persimmon and will decrease following the maturity of the fruit. Tannins feet are usually used to preserve handicrafts, to help produce Japanese rice wine, and can be used for the treatment of diseases. Usually to eliminate the taste of persimmon fruit, smeared with lime water and then marinated. Persimmon scientific classification. Kingdom, Plantae. Division, Magnoliophyta. Class, Magnoliophyta. Order, Ericales. Family, Ebenaceae. Genus, Diospyros. Species, Diospyros. Persimmon has many benefits of persimmon. As for the benefits of persimmon fruit, including: can prevent hardening of the arteries, can maintain blood pressure so it does not cross the normal threshold, can prevent cancer, can inhibit the premature aging process, can maintain flexibility of blood vessels and stabilize blood pressure, can make your lungs healthy, can strengthen the spleen, can keep your body slim and lose weight, can be used as a hypertension drug, can be used as medicine for asthma and cough with phlegm, can be used as a medicine for stomach pain, can be used as a medicine for diarrhea and dysentery. Here's how to plant persimmon fruit for fruit plants around the house for complete beginners. 1. Preparation of persimmon seeds. Persimmon plants can be bred through seeds, grafting, and root separation. Of the three methods, seeds that come from grafting will produce fruit faster. The trick is to prepare a persimmon tree branch that has been fruiting as the top, and also prepare the persimmon stem from the seeds as the bottom. Connect the two parts of this plant to unite. Take care by watering it regularly. After the seeds are around 1 to 2 weeks old, you can move them to the planting site. 2. Persimmon planting preparation. Persimmon trees should be planted directly on the ground, not using pots or poly bags. Start planting by preparing the planting hole first, which measures 50 x 50 x 50 centimeters. Put the manure into this hole to fill 2/3 of the total volume. Let this planting hole stand for 2 to 3 weeks so that the condition is normal again. 3. Planting persimmon seeds. Prepared persimmon seeds can be implanted into the planting hole. The most ideal planting time is morning or evening when the rainy season starts. Remove the seeds from the poly bag, then transfer to the planting hole carefully. Beware not to damage the root system. Cover the bottom of the seedling using the surrounding soil. Then pour enough to increase air humidity so the seeds can adapt well. 4. Maintenance of persimmon plants. Plant maintenance involves clearing land from weeds that grow around persimmon trees. Perform supplementary fertilization every 2 to 3 months by using manure. Also control the pests and diseases according to the symptoms that appear. It is recommended to prune the plants periodically to stimulate growth, including forming an ovary. 5. Harvesting persimmon fruit. Mature persimmon is easy to spot. Some of the characteristics that appear include the color of the skin changes from pale green to orange yellow or reddish yellow, its diameter increases to 5 to 8 centimeters, and has a strong aroma. The method of harvesting is cutting the fruit stalk using a knife mounted on bamboo, y. Thus our video that discusses how to plant persimmon fruit for fruit plants around the house for beginners. Hopefully the video that we present can benefit us all. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you and thank you for visiting our channel.